Okay, now hopefully you'll still do this. Well, play with your monkey. Oh, nice monkey. Roar, get the monkey. Get the monkey. Oh, get the monkey. Get the monkey. Oh, ah. Did you win? And in this corner's the monkey. Roar. Love you. The monkey's loving you. Roar. Oh, did you get the monkey? I don't know what move that is. Boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Roar! Did you get him? You got the monkey. Did you get the monkey? Uh-oh. Did you get him? Wow, get the monkey. Are you done? Hey, look. Oh, let's not get all the toys out. Look at the elephant. The elephant says, oh yeah? Oh, I love you too. Oh, I want to give you kissy, kissy. Oh, Renzo, the elephant wants to give you a kissy, kissy. Oh yeah? The elephant wants to give you kissy, kissy. Ah, kissy, kissy elephant. Oh. Oh, you're gonna get them both? Ah. Are you biting his ear? Roar! Did you win? Are you gonna take off in the car? No. Lorenzo, I said no. No. I said no. Come play with your monkey. Beep, beep. Where's the horn? Where's the horn? You can be mad at me. It's okay. Okay, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to drive like Dad? Say, hey! Come on. Hey! Are you still mad? kiss her over it, huh? Oh, I get a kissy.